Yeah, it's rich. Instagram and here, I'm gonna have a trim. The barber here. Send for the baddest barber Orlando. Are you the barber, sir?
No.
Are you the barber?
No.
One of which she sees the barber?
I'm not the barber.
It's me a DJ part. Bobby sees the barber? No. I see the barber?
Yeah, Doc Holloway.
All the way. See there? See that stuff I took out already? At the back that? Yeah. Watch out. Yeah, alcohol to make sure no say I'm clean. Instagram, I'm here. Tonight is the show, it's Rich, Tampa. Come see your boy Real Rich perform for you live. I showed them in the same way. Watch how I go on. You see it?
Haircut.
You see it? Haircut. See it? Yeah, it's Rich. See, selector the way I pay for me.
Real way. Tampa a good liquor more.
You see it? What? Special guest shows.
Come party in the room. Rich the sound on the party. Come on. Yo. Hey, you know. When we talk about life, someone come around and some joke on the thing, but I life we deal with. Some of them boy life water down, you know. You can't tell the boy they are famous and a real lion. Big man don't do the real thing. Give me the money first, let me get the rent. If I the money, you can get the response. Because they need maintenance, everybody was rich. Give me the rich dance. Rich, 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 so rich, 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 rich. Son of my dad, let's go to the American Insta. Last year rich, come from me get a you know me not shit. Every girl love me but every girl me not kiss. Be a score goal every time me no miss. Check out my fridge, never empty it. Swear some me dead, then lose them dead. Check out my sound.
That's rich.
Drop my tune. Instagram. It's Tampa, Florida. Rich. Where rich you there? As you know, every hustler from Tampa is Instagram. Turn nothing to something. But as you know, when I'm there, watch this.
Yeah, when people me just reaching back, you know, from out of the club. See it. They just a pack the bag, you know. So go home. See it. Yeah. Yeah, it's rich. See it. Yeah, man. Yeah, the end of the place, yeah, man. Room big, you know. Sorry. Come on.
Play it again. Don't be expensive, you know. And I want a long thing.
Me a couple like me what I did for me. Better say no, better say no, I don't think for you. How could you fall?
No paper, people never do. What are running? They gotta know your friend now. Fuck your man. Fuck your friend now. Walk on. All I wanna know your friends. Straight put up your eyes.
After all of that, some of us are late back down. Some of them keep up on the wall. And now
Next one I man will shoot man enough. We'll chop them in the blood slap and we not run, right? When Popcorn get that song here, he get the king's son. But tonight they are up there saying, what's one and song this again?
ahora, weke.
Which one was the something?
Try. That mean when they see me or you send goal or Muffard or any one of them, don't make the girl first if you come take the picture, you come first. So when you hear Real Rich call you up, you come, don't be shy, shy is poor. Okay, donkey, hungry is poor. Drop something, you can't learn this. Movie, Atina movie, you clean movie. Top on the level, alright. you get rich too. Money I fall on you like nitro. You want the bullshit, you never left me. Makes me go road the night, you don't stress me. Me come home, you love and caress me. So me know Father God bless me. Booby, you are my booby. Booby.
Please hold on to the handrails. When the shuttle stops, please exit for gates 1 through 29.
Yeah, that's rich. Yeah, that's rich. No, I'm not gonna sleep. Put in the earth for my kids, you know. That's rich. No sleep, no sleep. Rich. Yeah, I'm there at the airport now, my people. Chillax. They left for something now. Yo, big up. Yeah, sleep, I want to go all asleep, but I'm not asleep. I know where sleep I go. Sleep. Tired. Can you do lolly-law? Can you do lolly-law? Can you try it right now? Drop something for me.
Yes, like this. This is ways. When somebody watching a picture with you, you tell them where. Turn it up now.
Generally, I'm a people. As I reach a airport, him come get me. I mean, him have a drink right as I now. See it there? Hi, Bobby. I'm back in Jamaica. I'm here. Where are my brother?
Rich.
Yeah, which one them can't find you? Papa Instagram. It's Papa Instagram.
On Instagram, Richard Hunter 2610.
Tell them again. Richard Hunter
2610.
Yeah, need to start follow. Richard, you hear what I'm name? Richard Hunter 2610. Do the maths. That's rich. What you want from me now, Bobby? You want more than picture. You want video. Video me. I'm back, my people. Yeah, man, I got to about my mobile airport. I say, I love the people in my mobile, see, man. Yeah, they deal with me like God. These God kids. Know that I'm rich. See it. Yeah, I'm rich to my car now, my people. Yeah, that do the road I go home now. You see it? See it? That's rich. Stop off and drink with one of my brethren from Jamaica. Yeah. People on Instagram, see me. Take picture with me from out and I run with me thing. Man come check me about man. Airport and the man there with me, see car there, broad car there. Real, you know. Say me the richest thing you know where I come from, nothing. No, I'm not gonna bet there, I'm not gonna bet you see, I'm not gonna show you. I know that, I just showing my money machine, I just want to see the money machine checking. Yeah. That's cute. Can you check that for me, please, in the money machine? That's poor. That's poor. I'm trying. So I cannot use it, right? That's rich. Yeah, the boss there.
Rich.
Yeah.
That's it. You don't know what things go.
Yeah, it's rich. Yeah, that's a G chip. Yeah, right. Yeah, now we're going on the street, go hustle. See it. Just go check something, you know if it's working. You know? Yeah.